that spot, the green spot. And Tiger, just to tell you, the Madam Neha Jaktani from National College was the one to like, okay, I'm giving all my place to convert into urban forest, and a lot of the projects we're going to be starting from National College, and obviously many other colleges and universities being part of it. So we are in. Already started the campaign. This was an official inauguration which we wanted to do. From tomorrow onwards, each and every Eco Champs, Bamla Foundation volunteer is going to be working on this, and we will deliver and show Mumbai. We'll get down the temperature. We will create parking canopies of trees in Mumbai. And this media is going to cover that for sure. Now we'd request Tiger Shroff to please say few words in the association. Just last, thoda sa. Okay, sir.
Once again, thank you everybody for joining us this afternoon. Thank you very much, Asif Bamla ji, for having me here. Very, very privileged and honored. Again, I'm not patting myself on my shoulder. I'm not doing this for my PR. I'm doing this for the environment. And I hope each one of you make a difference, starting with your homes, like I said. So thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for letting me do this with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tiger ji. By the time, sir, you need to give voter thanks, please. We have the Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Arvind Sawant ji also. Arvind Sawant ji, this is the right time you came. आप सब चीज से बच गए, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा. Just at the photo of Arvind Sawant ji to please come on the dais. Okay, okay, okay.
We have the Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Arvind Sawant ji. Can I request you to please come here on the stage? A very big
they are very much interested in protecting the environment, not because they are in government. Since beginning, Bala Sahab is to plant trees on his terraces. So that sort of culture is there, inculcated in him. And all of you should not forget that the major issue of Mumbai is afforestation. And particularly the monorail, metro rail. And when the issue of the junction had come, it is the same Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhavji Thackeray, protected the RA. Don't forget that. And not only he protected RA, but he increased the afforested area by 700 hectares. And the Mumbaikar should not, he should honor it, he should respect it, that he is the Chief Minister who had done it. The afforestation in Goregaon, increased the land for the afforestation. And right now the issue is, as Digavkar has rightly pointed out, we have luckily have a young leader, Adityaji Thackeray, who is again an environment minister, again belongs to Thackeray clan, and they know how to protect it. And the idea which he has just now quoted right now regarding creating some gardens for Miyake gardens were there. Yeah. So those gardens they are going to make in Mumbai, number of plots they have identified. The issue is not the Mumbai or the issue is not the Maharashtra, issue is not the country, issue is an international issue. The global warming was given by Al Gore when he produced a film and said that the world should concentrate, the warming is increasing. Now, and there are two issues now the entire country is facing is that urbanization. And that is more big. In Mumbai, Digavkar ji, the construction part has increased by 66%. So instead of creating forest, we are creating cement forest. And that is creating a problem. Again, the glass houses. If right now we are sitting in a hotel which is centrally air conditioned, if you take a periphery of it, of a radial distance around say 10-20 meters from here and a radial distance from all the entire building, you will find the temperature is higher than the atmospheric temperature away from it. So why the temperature? Because the exhaust of the air conditions. The buildings which have been created, glass houses, like those were, we just copy the European countries and the US and other things. Why we should tropicalize things are to be done. Recently, in the cyclones we have seen, the trees were uprooted. Now we should go for a tropicalized trees, not the forest trees. Just for the sake of beauty, that we need the trees which will last for a long, which will hold this earth, which will hold the earth properly, and the trees will last for a long. And that is what I really appreciate Bamla Asif. He is so possessive of certain issues. Once he takes an issue, I do remember plastic ban. And when he called, I was here with him. I attended that time also. And Aditi ji was there. We were there on the road at here. And we collected plastics and all those things. But he never forget that. And he's so possessive about the environment. Asif ji, God bless you. God bless you. Carry on your, not that every time we need celebrities. Okay, celebrities, you only call them. And then when people, audience, once the celebrities come, the 50-60% audience goes away. So the audience is, so we should need a genuine audience who really desire to go for environment. Like Eric, a person who has dedicated his life for this, like Aditya, I'm just because he belonged to Shiv Sena. No. He is possessive since beginning. He came in politics later on. But he started social work by like this, cleaning the beaches. He himself went to the beaches and cleaned the beaches. And today also, when we get the bouquets over here, we see that they has been covered by the plastic. You won't believe, see, wherever I go, I told them not to bring the bouquets with the plastic cover on it. So no plastic means charity begins at home. Start with that only. That is not is happening. We advise the people, why not we? So why not I? Why not I plant some certainties? It's not only a plantation, it's a growing also. The care of the plant. So that has to be taken by us. And really appreciate your sincere work for protecting environment. But that has to be taken care, not only by the state government, by central government. Now the central government is again a word which is being challenged by so many people. I don't want to go into that politics. But then it is a national issue. This is a national issue. And in fact, it is a global issue. That's what, in fact, it's an international issue, global issue. But as far as our country is concerned, we should take the onus of it. And you are a part who not only conducts such program, but who takes the onus of it. There are people who take onus, and Asif is one who takes onus of it. And I heartily congratulate Asif. Thank you so much for calling me, inviting me, and I wish you a grand success. Eric, whichever help you need, here is Digavkar, who represents Municipal Corporation, who is Assistant Commissioner of Municipal Corporation. He has got his area over here. So dedicated young generation is there. This is young generation. He is an officer from BMC. There are few more officers in BMC. They are all dedicated young generation is there. And they are the leader. Aditya is their leader, in fact. So Aditya ji is looking after all these things. Aditya ji. So therefore, Eric ji, we welcome you in India. Let us take this issue, particularly not only afforestation, control of cementing. We are constructing cement jungles. So we have to protect that first. So we have to control that. And then only we can see. You will keep the millions of plants will be, but at the same time you will go on growing this, constructing the building. The temperature of the Mumbai has increased by 2 degrees. You know it. The global warming was there. 2 degrees. It has already increased by 2 degrees. So water level, sea level, temperature, afforestation. These are the all related, correlated issues. We should think of it. Once again, heartily congratulate Asif Bhai. Thank you so much for calling me over here. Thanks a lot.
आसिफ भाई, thank you so much. अरविंद सावंत जी, आपकी बात है और energetic शहर बामला and to Mr. Vijay Karia also. I would request Mr. Louis Coutinho to please come on stage if he's around. And अब ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सर कि अब हमने तो हमारा काम हम कर ही रहे हैं. किरण दिगावकर जी को भी also I need Sahir to please give a small sapling to Kiran Digaokar ji. He is Mr. Favorite of Bamla Foundation, Kiran Digaokar ji. So, अरविंद जी, आपने ये मिस किया कि हम आज ही हमारा एक कैंपेन था. कल एक्चुअली शहर का एक बहुत बड़ा कैंपेन है. शहर इज बीइंग द यूथ हेड ऑफ द बामला फाउंडेशन. शी इज डूइंग अ ब्यूटीफुल बीच क्लीनअप एंड मैंग्रोव क्लीनअप्स ऑफ घाटोड, which is initiated. Okay, I'll give you the mic to me.
अगेन मैंग्रोव्स की बात आपने की. आज हम देख रहे हैं हमारे वेस्टर्न साइड में जाइए मुंबई के,
जी जी,
जितने भी टावर्स हैं उनका गार्बेज या उनकी सारी बिल्डिंग का मटेरियल वापस
absolutely sir,
दे आर पेरिशिंग.
absolutely. So to save that,
यही तो है ना, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि इसी की चिंता है हमें.
yeah,
हम लोग लोगों को एडवाइस करते हैं और गाड़ी में से पानी की बोतल हम ही
हम ही
गाड़ी में
मैनेज
से फेंक
सकते
देते
हैं.
हैं.
राइट सर, राइट
You
सर.
don't wait for the even garbage to see बैग किधर फेंके.
Right,
हम देखते हैं गाड़ी एकदम मर्सिडीज कार में जा रहे लेकिन बॉटल रास्ते में फेंक रहे हैं. तो कल्चर हैज टू, दैट्स व्हाट आई से चैरिटी.
That's the mind thought needs to be changed, sir, of the citizens of Mumbai.
वो बड़ी मतलब तकलीफ होने वाली है.
Right sir.
तो हमने जो 3 साइक्लोन फेस किए हैं ना,
Yes, sir,
उस पे
terrible.
थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखेंगे, पता चलेगा कि हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं.
Absolutely sir.
जो रास्ता जा रहे हैं तो उसको रोकना है, और रोकने की आवश्यकता है.
वो रोकने के लिए शहर बामला ने कल एक बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव लिया फॉर क्लीनिंग द मैनग्रोव्स एंड बीच क्लीन अप. आई
इसलिए
थिंक
मैं इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि प्लांट जो देते हैं ना हम लोग,
जी,
वो सारी शोभाओं की नहीं होनी चाहिए.
नहीं सर, स्पीसीज अच्छी होनी चाहिए उसकी.
प्लांट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड,
Yeah,
अदर
yeah.
प्लांट्स व्हिच विल हैव अ लाइफ ऑन. हम लोग क्या करें, खूबसूरती देखते बैठते हैं, तो खूबसूरती नहीं होती ना भाई. हनी बी है ना, वो हर फूल पे बैठती है लेकिन जहाँ मध है ना वही रुकती है. बाकी कलर पे थोड़ी देर के लिए आकर्षित होती है, लगता है उसे फूल खूबसूरत है, लेकिन जब उसे पता चलता है इसमें हनी नहीं है, उठकर निकल जाती है. तो खूबसूरती के पीछे मत जाओ, जहाँ हनी है उसको ध्यान रखो.
तो सर हमने एक पैनल क्रिएट किया अर्बन पॉन्डेस के लिए. वी हैव बॉटनिक एंड जोलॉजिस्ट पीपल वो आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस कि कौन से इंसेक्ट्स और बीट्स को कौन सी प्लांट्स पे बैठना चाहिए, बर्ड्स को नेस्टिंग के लिए कौन सा प्लांट चाहिए. सो दैट इज ऑल पार्ट ऑफ दिस होल कैंपेन अर्बन फॉरेस्ट
याद
का.
दिलाता हूँ आपको सर, बस आसिफ जी आपके लिए याद दिलाता हूँ. मुझे ये मत सोचिए डिबेट है, मैं ऐसे ही याद दिलाता हूँ. मुझे बहुत क्यों बड़ी बात लगती है, यहाँ हमारे माहिम के यहाँ निसर्ग करके एक फॉरेस्ट एरिया है, और नॉट एनजीओ, इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट लैंड, महापालिका लैंड आई थिंक. हाँ, जंगल है, बहुत बड़ा जंगल है अंदर, वो तो मेडिकल प्लांट भी है. उस वक्त उद्धव साहब मंत्री नहीं थे, हमारे पार्टी के चीफ थे, वो आए थे. देखो कितनी विचारधारा कैसी है. तो बोलते बोलते ऐसे बोले कि सिर्फ प्लांट नहीं लगाना, हमने 1 लाख लगाया 5 लाख नहीं. प्लांट ऐसे लगाओ, फलों के प्लांट लगाओ, फूलों के लगाओ, ताकि फूलों के लगाओगे तो ये सब बटरफ्लाई से लेकर सब लोग आ जाएंगे, पंछी आ जाएंगे, और फलों के लिए अगर लगाओगे तो पंछी भी आ जाएंगे. आज हम स्पैरोज वी डोंट सी, डू यू सी द पैरो, वेयर इट हैज गॉन. कहाँ दिखती है स्पैरो, तो कहाँ गई हो डिस्कवरी.
मेघा जी ने सारा कुछ बता दिया अपने चैनल में, हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ द प्लैनेट. आई रिक्वेस्ट अरविंद सावंत जी टू प्लीज, नेहा जी प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज फॉर दिस. नेहा मैम, आज ईद भी है, खोजागिरी, और इतना अच्छा दिन है, और इन शुभ दिनों में ये ऐसा काम हो रहा है. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर फॉर अस, ऑल ऑफ अस. सर ओके, no, it's okay. are there. Many such initiative needs to be taken by Seher, and Seher has a plan for it. She's doing it. Thank you very much. You know, Walk for Mangroves is the initiative. Because of the COVID for last 2 years, we couldn't do this, but now we are back in action with the mangroves. And Bhumi Petnikar obviously is the campaign head for this with Seher Bhamla. We're starting at 7:45, Asif with the team of National College. And I would request Seher to please give a small sapling and your principal as well. Our very favorite Neha Jagtiani ji, the IC principal for RD National College. Oh, we have the Honorable General Manager, the GM of Taj, Mr. Digvijay Singh ji, to please come on stage. And Seher Bhamla to give a small sapling to Mr. Singh. A small sapling to Mr. Digvijay Singh. Thank you, my media friends, our patrons, our guests, for being part of this wonderful campaign. As we said, Urban Forest. Oh, so Seher Bhamla, to please say a youthful thank to the patron.
Seher. Thank you everyone for being here, and I'd like to personally thank you, Mr. Eric Solheim, for coming here, and Arvind ji, Neha ma'am, Megha ji, all of y'all, Vivek, Trivan, Gurinder, everyone, Varun ji, for coming here, sir. And thank you for being the voice of our planet and being here. And I think that what we are going to do in the coming years is reimagining, recreating and restoring our Mother Nature and getting everything what we've lost in the past years back in the present and future. And we all love being surrounded to nature. Every time we travel, we select Switzerland and all these places, which is so connected towards natural beauty. But I don't know why don't we want to make our cities like that. So I think this is the next step of beautifying our city as much as we can with greenery and depleting less, obviously. So yeah, and coming back to forest fires, we've been talking about forest fires all over the world, which has depleted and devastated everything in Amazon, Greece, Australia. We only talk about that, but what we don't realize is that there are so many more forest fires happening in our own country, but it has not been covered anywhere. I think there are only a handful of 4 or 5 articles on forest fires in India. I don't know why it's not being covered and why no one talks about it. And when there's a forest fire in Turkey, each and every person is posting about it. So I think we must start talking about forest fires happening in Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. We had 3,45,000 forest fires in the past year. That's a lot. It's here in Maharashtra also, and no one knows. I don't think anyone over here knows that India has so many forest fires. So yeah, I think we must start talking and doing something about it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the numbers and thank you for getting the states. Yes. No, sir actually came to the point, you know, she's talking about forest fires and recovering them by creating this urban forest. Thank you, Mr. Vijay Karya ji. Thank you, Megha Rata ji. Thank you very much. Lovely. It was a good time. Mr. Basap Paul also to please come. Asif bhai, Mr. Basap Paul ji. There he is. Thanks to each and every one, the patron, the foundation members. We have Gurinder Pawar, we have Trivan Karnani, we have Varun Agarwal, we have Nikhil Gorwani. This whole campaign, and I request that as we talk about environment, with this very important issue for the health also, Shunya for being part of this thing. And tomorrow, I request all of you all to be present. On Hill Road. Sharma and his entire team